Call note now, the internationally acclaimed Minnesota Orchestra brought its music to Durban in a breathtaking Nelson Mandela Centenary Performance. It is the first time the Minnesota Orchestra showcased its work in South Africa. The organizers say they are also in the country to assist and develop the up-and-coming musicians.
If music be the food of love, then play on. And for this performance, the crowd came close to chanting encore. Dubbed as one of America's finest symphonic ensembles, the Minnesota Orchestra is acclaimed for its compelling interpretations of contemporary and Nordic repertoires. Its Finnish conductor Vangska passionately stirs the melodic sounds to his command. The orchestra will perform in 5 venues across the country, but it's not just performances that the organizers are motivating. They also want the orchestra to assist develop the genre of the music in the country.
They're also engaging with communities all along the way, including here in Durban with the Durban School of Music and other institutions here in KZN.
And for Durban's Clermont Choir, this is an opportunity of a lifetime. An occasion to perform alongside the orchestra and one the choir will forever cherish.
What we're bringing as the Clermont Choir is something different from the classical music that the orchestra will be playing. We are giving some African feel.
The Minnesota Orchestra is set to perform in Pretoria next. SABC News, Durban.